Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to sign in to Pencil using your email. So here I'm just on the Pencil homepage, and at the top right-hand corner, I have the option to either log into an existing account or sign up with a new account. So we are going to be logging in with an existing account. And Pencil users have the option to log in with an existing Google account, an existing Facebook account, or to log in using your email. So when you log in using a Google account or a Facebook account, you do not need to have a password. However, when you log in using an email, you do need to have a password. So today we are going to be logging in using an email. So here I'm just typing in the email and password for my account. I'm going to click sign in with email, and I am automatically taken to the Spaces landing page. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the bottom left corner of your screen.